Welcome to my channel Options Trader today. As we have seen that the gold price is continuously moving down, and I have already suggested you that there is a high probability that we can see it can move further down. Okay, why? Because the swing has formed at this particular level after making a high of $2071.88. Okay, what we have seen that it was continuously moving down. There is a pattern forming. Okay, a U pattern forming. If would have sustained above a level of 1834, we can see it could have made a new high, because then there is cup pattern would form. Okay, but now what it has tried to do, that we have seen, because in the interest rate and inflation, gold prices coming down, as well as other energy stocks also have been seen that they are also moving further down. Okay, because the demand has reduced, or whatever they are buying, they have to pay more of the amount as the dollar price getting strengthened. Okay, now suppose if the price didn't sustain this level also, which is again a high probability, that because since April of 2020 we have not seen this level has come. Okay, now we have seen this level has come and it is moving further down. Okay, so what we can see looking at this particular chart, if we look at this particular chart, before we move forward, if you have any doubt, mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also are given in the description. You can join that too. If you look at this chart, if this level didn't sustain, which is at a higher probability that we can see it can touch a level of $16.10.35. Okay, and this is a support. From there we can see a bounce back. Okay, and a next resistance we can see is coming at around 620. So suppose if it touches this level and we see a bounce back towards an upside, then we can see it can hit back and we can see a rebound towards downside. Okay, suppose if that level goes further down, then we can see it can move further low towards a level of $58. Okay, no, towards a level of around $1592, and if that also didn't sustain, then there is a high probability that we can see it can move towards a level of $1587 after moving a level of $1592. Okay, keep this in mind. If the price didn't sustain this level, a probability of touching 1592 is there, and if that level goes further down, then we can see it can hit a level of 1587, and if the price fall below that level, then there is a high probability that we can see it can touch a level of 1578, and from there we can see it can move further low towards a level of $1565. Okay, and once the price fall below this particular level, then we can see it can touch a level of $1555. Okay, and if that level goes further down, then there is a high probability that we can see it can touch a level of $1535. Okay, and once the price fall below this level, then there is a high probability that we can see it can move further low, because this level has not come since long, so probability will be very high. We can see it can move further low towards a level of $1520, and from there we can see it can cross further down and can touch a level of another in the level of $1480 or $1419. Okay, because this is the range where we will see that the price of gold will come. Okay, but there is a high probability that if it goes below a level of 1535, then only we can see it can move further low. Okay, now suppose if it form a swing at this particular level, because a strong support we can see coming at around $1612.84. Okay, so suppose if a swing form at this particular level, then only we can see it can come up again to this particular level, which is trading at around 16.49. then we can see if it go further low high towards a level of around $16.25. Okay, and once the price sustain above this level, then there is a high probability that we can see it can go towards a level of 1635 to a level of 1642. Okay, so once if it goes above 1625, then there is a probability of touching $1635, and from there we can see it can move further high towards a level of 1642. Okay, and once the price goes above this level, then there is a high probability that we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 1647, and from there we can see it can touch a level of around 1660, and once the price sustain above 1660, then we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 1662, and from there we can see it can touch a level of around 1667. Okay, and once the price sustain above 1667, then we can see it can touch a level of 1679, which is a resistance which is already a weak resistance, so probability will be very high. We can see it can go further upside towards a level of 1692, and once the price goes above 1692, then we can see it can move further upside. So you have to be very careful, because now the market is very volatile. As we know that all S&P 500 made a new low. We have seen that pound, British pound also has been okay, and what we have seen, all these if you look at all these if you look at all these things, we can see there is a quite of negative trend we can see. So probability is where there, if it tries to make a swing and it's try to move upside, then only we can turn for the upside, otherwise we can see it can move further down. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please go a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel,